Welcome back to Decor, your go-to destination for inspiring home design and decor ideas. Today, we're stepping into a warm and inviting Joanna Gaines-inspired country-style home tour, filled with Magnolia-style summer decor ideas you can easily recreate in your own space. Think soft textures, rustic charm, and breezy seasonal touches that feel both elegant and effortless. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's explore this beautiful home together. The signature Magnolia exterior appeal. The exterior of this country-style home immediately captures attention with its clean white siding, black-framed windows, and a welcoming front porch that feels both classic and fresh. Wooden beams and subtle farmhouse details add depth and character, while simple landscaping with lush greenery enhances the natural beauty. The front porch is styled with wicker seating, soft cushions, and potted plants, creating a relaxing summer vibe that invites you to sit and unwind in the gentle breeze. A bright and airy living room retreat. As you step inside, the living room greets you with an abundance of natural light and a calming neutral palette. Soft white walls, warm wooden accents, and linen-covered sofas create a cozy yet refined atmosphere. Layered textures such as woven rugs, cotton throws, and rustic coffee tables reflect that signature Magnolia charm. Subtle summer accents like fresh flowers and light greenery bring life into the space without overwhelming its serene and balanced design. Open concept kitchen with farmhouse elegance. The kitchen is the heart of this home, designed with a perfect blend of function and beauty. White cabinetry, a farmhouse sink, and open wooden shelving create a timeless look that feels both practical and inviting. The addition of brass fixtures and simple decor elements like ceramic jars and cutting boards enhances the rustic appeal. Summer styling is introduced through fresh fruits, greenery, and natural textures, making the kitchen feel vibrant and welcoming for everyday living. Dining area with warm gatherings in mind. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area features a large wooden table surrounded by simple yet elegant chairs. This space is designed for connection and comfort, with a focus on natural materials and understated decor. A centerpiece of seasonal flowers, combined with soft linen table runners, adds a fresh summer touch. The lighting, often a statement pendant or chandelier, creates a cozy ambience that makes every meal feel special and intimate. Cozy bedroom with soft summer layers. The bedroom embraces tranquility with its soft color palette and layered textiles. Crisp white bedding, light cotton throws, and subtle patterns create a restful and inviting environment. Wooden furniture pieces add warmth, while minimal decor keeps the space uncluttered and peaceful. Summer-inspired elements such as light curtains and fresh greenery bring a sense of calm and connection to nature, making it the perfect retreat after a long day. Bathroom simplicity with rustic touches. In the bathroom, simplicity meets rustic elegance through clean lines and thoughtful details. White tiles, wooden vanities, and matte black fixtures create a balanced and cohesive look. Open shelving with neatly arranged towels and small decorative accents adds both functionality and charm. Summer decor is introduced through light scents, greenery, and natural textures, transforming the space into a refreshing and relaxing sanctuary. functional yet stylish entryway design. The entryway sets the tone for the entire home, combining practicality with beautiful design. A wooden bench, woven baskets, and wall hooks provide storage while maintaining a clean aesthetic. Soft neutral tones and simple decor elements ensure the space feels welcoming without being overwhelming. Adding a touch of summer with fresh flowers or a light-toned rug enhances the inviting atmosphere and makes a lasting first impression. Outdoor living with summer comfort. The backyard or patio area extends the home's charm into the outdoors, creating a perfect spot for relaxation and entertaining. Comfortable seating, natural wood furniture, and soft cushions make the space feel like an outdoor living room. String lights, lanterns, and potted plants add warmth and ambience, especially during summer evenings. This space reflects the essence of Magnolia style, where simplicity and comfort come together beautifully. Decor details that bring everything together. What truly defines this Joanna Gaines-inspired home is the attention to detail in every corner. From vintage-inspired accessories to handcrafted elements, each piece tells a story while maintaining harmony within the space. Neutral tones, natural materials, and seasonal accents create a cohesive look that feels effortless yet thoughtfully curated. These decor ideas are easy to replicate, allowing you to bring a touch of Magnolia style into your own home. Conclusion: bring Magnolia style into your home. We hope this Joanna Gaines-inspired country-style home tour has inspired you to embrace Magnolia-style summer decor in your own space. With its focus on comfort, simplicity, and natural beauty, this style is both timeless and easy to achieve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Decor, and leave a comment sharing your favorite part of the tour. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next inspiring home design journey.